In mining, maintenance is one of your largest controllable costs and one of the hardest to forecast. For finance and maintenance teams on SAP, predicting maintenance spend across sites, cost centers, and assets usually means exporting data into spreadsheets and preparing a budget offline. Tracking actual variances against this offline budget is an arduous task. By the time an overrun is identified, it has already hit the P&L. That's why we created Syntax Maintenance Cost Budgeting. Built as an SAP-compatible extension and fully integrated with SAP Cloud ERP, it gives teams a more efficient, guided, step-by-step way to build maintenance budgets without leaving SAP. Planners accelerate the budget cycle with integrated data and create annual budgets that directly feed standard SAP cost planning processes. Predictive cost modeling draws on active maintenance plans, planned equipment usage, and historical trends to sharpen every forecast. Automated variance analysis compares planned, forecasted, and actual spend, surfacing cost overruns during early planning and again when overruns appear in actuals. For mining maintenance teams, this means spending less time on budget preparation and more on strategic planning. Budgets stay aligned with integrated financial plans and variance reporting, and capital decisions rest on predictive data instead of guesswork. Syntax Maintenance Cost Budgeting turns maintenance budgeting into a strategic advantage with visibility, accuracy, and confidence across every dollar.